Here's a nice little nodule. Definitely has some weight to it. You can see those Marcasite cube textures right there. Beautiful. Definitely a keeper. Hold up. Back up. We gotta see this again. Did I just dig through a pile of poop and pull an agate out? I did. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that. I must have just been super focused and scoped in on that agate. Didn't even realize what was around. But anyways, this hillside is full of either flint or agate. I can't really tell which is which here, but I definitely keep a couple pieces, and we're going to try and cap some later on. Look at this. This is a nice piece of wood. That's a cool one. Look at that. You see that little cube? Let's look at it. Whoops. Look at that. That's a nice one. Nice little nodule. What is this? Oh my gosh, look at this one. That is a nice little piece. Gotta clean this one up later. Look at that. Look at this one. You see that notch from the wood right there? That's cool. Look at that. That's a nice one. Ooh, look at those. That one, another one. Yep. Interesting colors. Ooh. Hold on. Down on my belly. Definitely see some in there with some nice trace fossil or like bark or something. And then look at this one right there. Look at that. Some nice cubes. Ooh, and there's another one. Sorry, I'm keep on going off camera, but put that in that pile. There's another one right there. And I think this is one. And another one. And these are likely them as well. So I'll take these. Got a nice little pile right here. All in this one area. That's a nodule, so I'm gonna assume they're in there because they keep showing up in nodules. Okay, I'm just gonna grab all these little pieces because I'm positive they have them. And just make, ooh, look at that one, guys. Man, that really big one I found, they're like the size of like my hand. I set it down somewhere. I have no idea where I put it. It sucks, because that one was like my favorite. But anyways, while I was looking for it, I was shifting around in the dirt and found this cool agate. And then, sorry I keep going on camera. Found this one. And this one's got some nice cube structures. And this one. Okay, so all of these are the better pieces that I found that day. In the video, you guys probably heard me call these trace fossils, but these are in fact petrified wood replaced by Marcasite. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the better pieces that I found. Let me grab 2 others real quick. But anyways, so we're going to start with the bigger pieces. And just to kind of keep this not like a 20-minute video, we're going to try and speed through this. But you can see the wood grain textures in there, more so in some of the other ones. And then you can see the Marcasite cube, and you can just kind of tell like it's littered in there with these. It's like the more wood parts, the more Marcasite cubes you will see. There's that one. This one right here, I believe is a chunk of wood, but there's a lot of these nodules attached to it, which are the Marcasite. I just wish I knew a way to clean these up better to allow those cubes to be more visible. Same thing with this one. I think this is a chunk of wood going through here, but there's just so much of these Marcasite nodules. You can see kind of some woods showing through right there. And there's this one. This one has some beautiful red color to it. Now, this one was a large chunk of barite, pseudomorph, or agatized barite pseudomorph. No, we'll be cutting this one open soon. This one is a large nodule. You can see those Marcasite cubes all over it right there. This one was probably the larger nodule. This nodule right here has been like hollowed out, but you can see those sprays from the barite right in there. Not barite, sorry. From the Marcasite pseudomorph. I get barite pseudomorph mixed up with a lot. This one right here, I thought was originally like a trace fossil, which it probably is a trace of something. Could be wood, could just be hollowed out. But there is Marcasite cubes outside there. This is a piece of the either agate or flint. I'm not really sure which one it is. I think it's agate, but this glows orange under black light. I don't have a black light with me, just around me right now. Here's another piece. You can see the wood grain there. So this one was one of the original ones that I found earlier on, the very first time I was out there, that I thought was a trace fossil. And then because of this one, I went back out there and found the rest of these. Accidentally stumbled across this one, across that entire spot, really. I'm going to do a couple of the nodules real quick. I just really wish I knew how to clean these up better. A little bit of the wood in that one. Okay, and then this one. And this one has some wood with the Marcasite. These are just too cool. I'm gonna try and go back out there. That hillside used to be covered in snow, so I'm hoping all the snow has been melted since then. and more of this material has been exposed. Because I got to go out to Grand Junction either today or tomorrow, and I plan on going back out there, hopefully, if I have time. You can see a nice little notch in there. This is just way too cool. This one, I just kind of grinded down a little bit to give it like a stand, and then polish this area. But I was kind of curious how far in the wood goes, and it's not too far into the sandstone, but covered with that Marcasite. It's just way too freaking cool. And here's this piece I found earlier on in the video. Okay, here's this one. There's a notch right there. And all these small pieces are just more wood variants replaced with the Marcasite. Some of them have the cubes on them. But I wanted to show you, so like the very first time I went out there, I found this one, which is a beautiful pseudomorph crystal. And then also, what's this one? That's a nice little one. The other two small pieces that are like my best ones so far, I put them on little bitty bases, is this one. This whole thing is just solid Marcasite. Very cool little piece. And then the second one is this one. And on this side is wood. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, if you have any advice for me, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed part 2. Peace out.